In this video, we are going to see how we can develop and create the stacked bar chart where our main data is of the sales amount and we want to see this sales for different months. So although we have month by month sales, but within this each bar, we can see it's divided in different portions that represents the regions. So not only you can identify the month by month sales, but also you can see in which area the most sales are made. So let's say for October, the regions represented in different colors. So we can easily read that defense has the major sale chunk in October. And let's say in December, we have the minimum sales by area town. So how we can develop and create this stack chart? Let's see. First of all, let's clear this complete entire data and we will create a new sheet and name this as stacked bar chart. Now what we can do is just put the sales in the rows and put the date in the columns. This is only set by years, but let's just set it to months because we want month by month comparison. And this one is a line chart. So let's switch it up to bar chart and we want to fill it with entire view. So from the top, let's switch it to entire view. Now we have our data, but we don't want to add more bars to it, but also within these bars, we want to see the region wise comparison within each bar. So what we can do is just hold the regions with a control key and put it in colors. What this will do is it will show many colors representing each region. But let's say that we only want to compare 3 regions. In that case, what we'll do is we will put the regions in the filters as well. And we will choose only 3 regions. Let's say Town Defense and let's say Gulberg. Let's uncheck all of the rest, click on apply, and that makes it easier to read because we don't have many regions. So that's the main use of stacked bar chart, that although you don't want to increase the bars, the number of bars remain the same, but within that same bar, you can see a comparison representing different colors so that you can identify the maximum sales chunk and minimum sales for the particular regions as well. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.